This frog is the golden Mantella. This is one of the smallest and most threatened amphibians you have in Madagascar. The species has almost spread and fragmented in different small patches of populations on the west part of Madagascar, and is highly threatened for the obvious suspects: the fragmentation of the habitat, destruction of the habitat, illegal mining, exploitation of the habitat. And these animals live in a very, very fragile and specialized habitat, which is right on the edges of the springs and rivers. So the project is to collaborate with our partners, Madagascar Advocacy, to protect the species in the wild. The reason why we work with these species in captivity, apart of being a great ambassador for our species program, is as well to transfer our skills that we have in captivity to the conservation of the species. What we're going to develop today is marking a small group, that we have 10 frogs and a big group of 80, and we will going to just apply this marking technique that it will help us to understand and monitor individually or in groups. What we use is two materials of silicone we mix together. They will cure really rapidly in an hour or a bit longer. What we do is just mix them and we inject it with a small little needle, the tiniest needle that we can find subcutaneous, right under the skin, to be able to see the color with a UV light torch or just in a natural light. That goes really quickly under the skin, and the animals just go back, and we can just transfer and training and following up process and techniques and colors. We can do it in captivity. We can transfer now, go back to Madagascar, pass these skills to our colleagues, and they can start running all the monitoring programs for the species. So it's all benefit for the species.